Hi, I'm Professor Jonathan Reeder in the Department of Classics. Have you ever wondered why many doctors today take an oath upon completing their education? Or what ancient people used for anesthesia? Or when medicine became a science recognizable to us? If these and similar questions intrigue you, then I invite you to join us next semester for Ancient Medicine CLSA 1181. In this class, we tell the fascinating story of how ancient people learned to grapple with some of the same questions you and I face. How can I understand my body? What causes disease? What and who can cure me? This is a story that will take us from the 4,000-year-old clay tablets of Mesopotamian surgeons to the anatomical writings of a Greek doctor, from the pages of Homer, the New Testament, Islamic doctors, to the ruins of healing temples. Ancient medicine is where science, history, and humanity meet. So enroll today in CLSA 1181, Ancient Medicine, and join us on this exciting journey.